What is going on, investors? My name is Emmanuel, and I just want to put this special company on your radar. The company is called Healthier Choices Management Corporations. The ticker symbol is HCMC, and it has been getting a ton of attention recently, to the point where it was the third most trending ticker on Yahoo Finance over the weekend. And I've been following this company for a few weeks now, and at the time, on Stock Tweets, it had about 6,000 watchers as of last week. Fast forward to just over the weekend, and it now has over 20,000 watchers. It's been a hot topic within my Discord community over the last few weeks, and in fact, a few of us already started investing in this company very early on. And some of us are now up over 1,000% plus in terms of gains. I kid you not. So we have the Wall of Gains channel in my Discord group, and Alpha Bravo Charlie posted 1,095% gains on his position. Akas Amir is also up 1,197%. Liam J is up 1,197% in terms of returns. I mean, these numbers are absolutely crazy. But the most interesting thing about this position and about this speculative swing trade investment is the main catalyst for its recent move, and what's bringing attention to it hasn't yet played out. And therefore, the share price is still ridiculously cheap, which means there's still a ton of room for growth in this company, especially because of the catalyst is about to play out this month. So in this video, we'll run through the company profile of Healthier Choices Management Corporations. We will look at what the main catalyst for this company and for investing in this company is, and why it's been drawing a ton of attention from investors as of late. We will identify some of the red flags and some of the risks along the way. And lastly, I'll be telling you what I'll be doing with all of this information. So if you want to stay up to date with all the stocks that I am buying and selling in real time, you need to join my Discord community via the Patreon link in the description below. It is the first of the month, so the best time to join is right now to get a full month's worth of access. Don't forget to destroy the like button, and if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all of my latest videos. So with all of that said, let's dive into HCMC. So just as the name suggests, Healthier Choices Management Corporations are into the healthy lifestyle business, okay? They provide their customers with healthy alternatives to everyday life choices. Now, these life choices ranges from the food that we eat, to what we drink, to even the vitamins, nutrition, supplements, and they also provide a healthy alternative smoking option. So let's dive a bit deeper. HCMC has two main subsidiaries: the Healthy Choice Markets and the Vape Store. Healthy Choice Markets is divided into two branches. Now, the first branch is called Adder's Natural Market, which predominantly focuses on providing natural and organic food and also drink products. And on the About Us section of their website, they claim to offer the best natural, hormone-free meats, free-range chickens, and also fish. They also provide hundreds of wine and craft beers from all over the world. They have artisan cheeses. They have a bakery section that provides fresh bread and pastries. They also have Adder's Green Leaf Cafe and a deli feature within the market, which provides prepared meals for people to dine in or to take out. And the food is made in their kitchen on a daily basis. Now, taking a look at their website, and I personally don't mind their website. I think it looks very, very good. It looks very modern, very neat, it's up to date. Plus, I also took a look on their Instagram, and to be fair, they do have a tiny following on Instagram, but they are active, and I have dropped them a follow, okay, just to boost their numbers up. So if by the end of this video you like this company and you choose to invest, kindly drop them a follow on the gram. I'm sure they would appreciate it. Probably tell them I sent you. Now, the second half to Healthy Choice Markets is Paradise Health Nutrition. And there's not too much to say about this part of the business. The website is a bit dead. I'm not going to try and front. The website is dead, pretty much. But it appears as though that they sell health and nutrition supplements, like your Hollands and Barrett's. All of the pages on their website pretty much redirect you back to the homepage. So I'm not entirely sure whether this business is still operational. And that's definitely one to make note of. That's a risk, and that is a red flag. Now, Moving on to the other main part of their business, which is the second subsidiary, and this ties directly into the main catalyst for why HCMC has seen a run up in recent weeks. So make sure you stick around for more details regarding this. This subsidiary to HCMC is called the Vape Store. And as the name also suggests, they focus predominantly on e-cigarettes and have a good foundation within the vaping market. Now, they currently have 9 vape stores across the southeast of the US, and they have different brand names that range from Vape Store itself to Vapor Max. They have Vulcan Vape and the Grab Bag store brands. Now here is where things get really interesting, okay? So HCMC are suing Philip Morris for patent infringement of their own vapor products. Now, if you're not familiar with Philip Morris, they are pretty much the giant, all right? They are the Goliath within the cigarette and within the tobacco manufacturing industry. And of course, the rise of the vapor, the e-cigs industry has been growing rapidly. While the traditional cigarette industry, you can argue, has been on a decline over the past decades or so. And again, you can attribute that to tighter restrictions. I know in the UK, for example, there's higher taxes on those traditional cigarettes. So one of Philip Morris's vapors products is the IQOS. And it's this particular product that HCMC are claiming patent infringement. Now, according to the news release, another company called RJ Reynolds Tobacco Company are also suing Philip Morris over patent infringement pertaining to the IQOS. But I don't think this affects or directly correlates with HCMC's bid. Now, the CEO of HCMC, Jeff, has enlisted the services of Coulson O'Connor, who apparently have a very good reputation. And I went on Coulson O'Connor's website to check out their recent accomplishments. What have they done? And to be fair, they have indeed won multiple awards. And their overall ranking within the industry has been improving. They have been ranking higher and higher. And on the surface, they do look like they know what they are doing at least. Now, granted, I have no expertise within this field. However, if any of my viewers specialize within this industry and you're aware of Coulson O'Connor, let me know your thoughts regarding this solicitor's company in the comments below. Are they any good? So anyways, the lawsuit was filed on the 30th of November 2020, and there has been numerous filings since then. Okay, so it's been a bit of a journey. But most significantly, on the 23rd of December, there was a file 17 that suggested that Philip Morris requested for an extension of time to be able to respond. And this was unopposed by HCMC. And on the 29th of December, this extension was granted by Judge Timothy C. Batten, with a response expected from Philip Morris on January 27th, 2021. Now, on the 19th of January, Philip Morris requested for another extension to respond to this lawsuit, which again was unopposed by HCMC, and this again was granted, with a response expected by the 26th of February 2021. So that's literally within a few weeks' time. So Philip Morris have until the 26th of February to make an official response or decide to settle out of court. At which point, if that was to be the case, you would expect a press release or a statement from HCMC regarding the outcome. Now, I'm not entirely sure how many times Philip Morris can continue to request for an extension, but this time around, it seems as though investors are convinced that we will get a decision or there won't be another extension, and thus the massive interest that is currently piling into this stock. Now, I briefed my Discord regarding this and I did share my thoughts, which I will now share with you. And I said, it is highly probable that Philip Morris requests for another extension, which if unopposed again, will be pushed to March. And if this were to be the outcome, I'm sure we will see additional selling pressure to HCMC stock and the hype might begin to die down. If an extension isn't requested and they proceed and HCMC actually wins or they settle out of court, this will be amazing news for the company and also for shareholders. So those were my thoughts. Now, what will I be doing with all of this information? I think this is the perfect case of buy the rumor, sell the news. especially if Philip Morris requests for another extension, then we could see that sell-off, all right? But seeing as we are just starting February and technically we still have 25 days to go to await for a response, the rumors of the lawsuit, I think in the short term, will continue to build the current momentum that we are seeing right now. And we could see further increments in the share price in the short term. So I felt this presented us investors with a great opportunity, at least within the short term, to capitalize off this current momentum. Again, buy the rumor, sell the news. And you never know, if this ruling actually does go in favor of HCMC, the payouts in terms of damages alone will probably be worth into the billions. And the share price of this company could produce some exponential returns. So I've already started a short-term swing trade in this company. It's a very, very small position because, again, this is incredibly speculative. It's less than 1% of my entire portfolio, and I must stress, it is money that I am prepared to lose. So I plan to hold to as close as the 26th of February as possible, or at least until we hear anything significant in the run-up to the 26th. And that's my plan with this stock. But in the markets, as you know, anything and everything is possible and can also happen. So if you want to stay up to date with what I will be doing with my position in this company throughout the month, especially in real time, if and when I realize my profits or take out my initial investment, then you need to join my Discord community via Patreon. Again, the link is in the description below, and it's a great time to get started right now. But with all that said, let me know your thoughts regarding HCMC in the comment section below. But please make sure that you do your own due diligence before you decide to invest in any company or invest in any stock. Remember, I am not a financial advisor, so please view my content as purely educational and not investing advice. If you do want to learn about investing in stocks, there are some useful links in the description below, including some books that I highly recommend. Don't forget to destroy that like button, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to see more content from me. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.